just want to briefly touch on 3D printing and the science curriculum. There are numerous opportunities for integrating 3D printing into the science classroom, and it really dovetails nicely with many of the guiding principles of the science curriculum framework. For example, Principle 1, that an effective program develops a student's ability to apply their knowledge and skills to analyze and explain the world around them. 3D printing is a great way for students to be able to show off these skills and to sort of hone their analytical abilities. Principle 3, that investigation, experimentation, design, and analytical problem solving are central to a program. Project-based learning, design thinking, 3D printing projects really focuses on all of these skills and helps students dig deeper and become more effective with them. Principle 4, that a successful program provides opportunities for students to collaborate in technological and science endeavors and communicate their ideas. 3D printing is a great way to help students collaborate and gives them a tangible product to help communicate their thought process and show their learning. Principle 6, where an effective science and technology program integrates learning with mathematical and disciplinary literacy. Math and analytical and communication and literacy are all parts of good and well-developed 3D printing projects. And then finally, Principle 8, it engages all students pre-K through grade 12. So 3D printing across the board is fun for people. It really sparks imagination. It really engages students of all levels. Granted, pre-K is a little bit young for developing their own projects, but it is not impossible, and it is something that we should really think about. Project-based learning centered on student-teacher collaboration and applies academic knowledge and skills. Some good examples from the science classrooms. You can create bugs to explore ecosystems. You can create your own atom models. You can have students create organs when they're studying biology and the human body. You can have them create cars to help study motion. You can have them create their own engines and design them. You can have them create and design bridges to help solve transportation issues. You can have them create their own buildings that can incorporate how to withstand earthquakes and what's a successful engineering project to create a building. You can have them create Earth's plates. So when they're studying plate tectonics and earthquakes and things like that, they can create their own bones and fossils. Finally, take a minute and watch this really good video on how middle school students in a classroom designed and created their own 3D atom models. Thank you. I hope this short presentation gave you some ideas on both how and why to incorporate 3D printing in your science curriculum. As always, please feel free to contact me for any help or assistance. Thank you.